Hello, my name's Ian Denton and welcome to this, what is actually a second part of a Revit bay window tutorial. I've already given the first part and we've already got to this stage, so if you haven't seen the bay window tutorial you might want to nip back. So we got to this stage and what I left off with was just inserting these window lights, which is fairly easy, but I wanted to show you how they'd actually been produced. So if I click on that window light, let's just show you how they're inserted again. So I would select this panel, I'm hitting the tab key, and that's just highlighted this panel by itself. I'm now going to unlock that panel and then insert a curtain wall window which I've already got pre-drawn, and that's how they're inserted. It's fairly easy, and when that window is inserted it's got all of its actually they're types, so I have to open the type, but it's got all of its materials set as type materials. If we look at that window, edit family, that opens the family itself. It's just a frame with some glass put into it, and if I expand this, sheets, views, it's views, isn't it? Elevations, and then floor plans. So the floor plan's fairly easy. You can see that it's just a square frame, and I haven't put any sizes on if you look at the exterior because it just fits inside the curtain wall panel. So this is actually a curtain wall panel. So I started by, if I go to File, Open, or New, a new family, and the way I created it was metric curtain wall panel. So that's a preformed template for you to form something in. And if we look at the exterior, it's already got some lines in. So all I've done is added some reference lines. Let's say they're 50mm apart, which is what I tend to do for my windows. If you watch my window frame tutorial, let's undo that. So I don't actually want a reference line. Create reference plane, not line. Offset 50. So, and then we go on to our arrow. We can create these. Put that one there. So we can create these lines, and we can lock them. And if you go to my window tutorial, it'll show you how to create this. But it's even easier than the window tutorial actually. You just create it. And then once it's created, you end up with one that I created earlier. You end up with this, and you load that into your project. Project 4. And then once it's in there, you do what I've just said, and you can put them in wherever you like, into the panels. Just unlock the panels, you'll find it in there. Sometimes the curtain wall panels themselves are drawn the wrong way around, so you have to then, if you like that, you have to then swap them over like that. But apart from that, all quite easy. Hope this is helpful.